It's really a great pleasure to host everybody here today at the CADVision Systems 3D Experience Works Innovation Day 2025. This is really our main event where all our customers, all our partners come together, where we really bring together the community and to share the technology, to share the solutions, to exchange ideas. And this is really a very exciting solution that we really would want our customers to be able to enjoy, to leverage from. And hopefully today they will, through the interactions and through the visits at the booth, they will be able to know all about the digitalized integrated engineering platform from SolidWorks.
Hi, I'm Jelia Ng, Business Development Manager of Lenovo Workstation. Today we are here to show actually the whole portfolio of the workstation that we have here, offering to all the customers that is attending the 3DS event. Right here I have my P8. If you look at the spec itself of the P8, can actually go all the way up to 96 core, and it can actually support up to 1 terabyte of memory. Another thing I want to highlight is that it's toolless. You do not need any tools in order to open up our workstation. So this is our P8 itself. We actually have a full-fledged of different products over here that you can take a look. We also have a P14S, which is our mobile workstation. This is a P14S AMD model. Okay, it's very lightweight. For people who are looking into an entry-level mobile workstation, this is the way to go. We also have it in P16S, okay, which is a 16-inch. So same config, 4 gig graphic card, and then giving you the capability that you need.
Hello, good day guys. Representing DOE Singapore. Very happy to be here. And thank you Dassault System and CADVision System for having us here. It's a great opportunity to meet all various industry leaders and also at the same time showcase our products and services. We provide services and products for semiconductor industry, also in clean room industry and also in healthcare sectors. What kind of materials and products that we provide are many consumables, and then we have all kind of equipments that we'll be using in SMT process, surface mounting technology process. One of the latest products that we're trying to provide to all the other sectors is that we have this cobots, collaborative robots. We're looking into provide automation solution to companies that are looking to automate manufacturing process. And with that, thank you once again Dassault System and CADVision Systems CVS for having us here.
My name is Mangkok Wo. I'm a chairman of Smart Eye 4.0 Transformation Alliance, in short SITA. So I'm glad that this year we sponsor this 3D Experience Work Innovation Day 2025 organized by CADVision together with Singapore Poly. So SITA actually provide one-stop solution to the manufacturing factory to transform the conventional factory to smart factory. This event actually brings together all the partners, and there's a very good platform to network, and also there's a showcase all the cutting edge technology, and I hope we can also participate in next year.